Most gardens look great up close, but step back to the sidewalk, look across the street, and half of what makes a garden interesting simply disappears. Curb appeal gardening is a completely different discipline from close-up gardening. In this video, we're covering 7 perennials specifically chosen for their ability to look exceptional from the street. Let's get into it. Number 1, Allium Gladiator. Nothing in the perennial garden stops traffic the way allium globes do, and Gladiator is the variety that delivers this effect at the scale it deserves. The flower heads are large, perfectly spherical, and a vivid violet purple that reads clearly from serious distance. They rise on tall stems, sometimes 3 feet or more, above the lower plants around them, which means they're visible over the front of the border, even from across the street. There's something almost sculptural about a mass planting of allium globes. They look like they were placed deliberately, rather than grown. And that quality of intentionality is exactly what makes a front yard garden read as designed, rather than just planted. Gladiator blooms in late spring, filling the gap between early spring bulbs and the first summer perennials. And the dried seed heads that remain after flowering have their own architectural quality that extends interest well into summer. Planted in groups of 5 or more for maximum street impact, the repetition of the spheres across the border creates a rhythm that reads as a deliberate design decision from any distance. From the curb, it's simply the most distinctive thing in the garden. Number 2, Salvia Caradonna. Caradonna salvia has a quality that most perennials lack entirely: vertical drama. While the majority of front yard plants sit low and mound softly, Caradonna sends up tall, upright spikes of deep purple-violet on near black stems that create a visual punctuation visible from a significant distance. The color is deep and saturated, not the pale lavender of many salvias, but a true rich violet purple that holds its impact even when viewed from across a lawn. The near black stems amplify the contrast, making the flowers appear even more vivid. In a front border, a mass of Caradonna in full bloom creates a vertical band of dark color that anchors the planting and gives it a backbone that reads clearly from the street. The combination of height, verticality, and color saturation, all working together, is what makes it particularly valuable for curb appeal. A group of 5 or 7 planted together creates a visual mass that is impossible to miss. Cut them back after the first flush, and they rebloom, extending that street-visible color into late summer. This is the perennial that makes neighbors ask what you did to your front yard. Number 3, Echinacea Magnus. Purple coneflower has been a garden staple for decades, but Magnus is the variety that earns its place specifically on the basis of how well it reads from a distance. Most coneflower varieties have petals that droop slightly as the flowers mature, giving them a slightly disheveled look up close. Magnus was selected because its petals stay flat and horizontal, and that single characteristic changes how the flower reads from 30 feet away. Flat petals present the color fully toward the viewer, while drooping petals turn it downward, and at curb distance, the difference is substantial. The color is a rich, rosy purple with a raised copper-orange center that adds warm contrast, a combination that reads clearly and warmly from a distance. Plant Magnus in drifts of 5 or 7, and in midsummer, the front border has a consistent, reliable color mass that holds from the sidewalk all the way through the season. It naturalizes steadily over time, which means the street impact grows every year rather than staying static. This is one of the most reliable curb appeal investments available. Number 4, Agastache Kudos Coral. Most hummingbird plants are blue or purple, Kudos coral agastache does something completely different, and that difference is precisely what makes it stand out from the street. The flower spikes are a warm, vivid coral orange, a color genuinely unusual in the perennial palette that reads with exceptional clarity from a distance. Warm colors advance visually, meaning they appear closer and more intense than cool colors at the same distance. Against the greens and blues that dominate most summer gardens, the coral stands out with an almost tropical vibrancy that draws the eye immediately, even from a passing car. Kudos coral is compact at around 18 inches, working well at the front or middle of a border without overwhelming the planting. The bloom season runs from midsummer through fall, providing that warm coral color precisely during the months when most front yards are at their most visually undifferentiated. Hummingbirds find it irresistible, adding movement and life to the garden at street level.
Number 5. Culver's root Fascination. Height matters in curb appeal gardening. A border that stays low and flat reads as a bed of groen with some color scattered through it. A border that has something tall, structural, and architectural rising from it reads as a designed landscape. And Fascination Culver's root is that height solution. Growing 4 to 5 feet tall, it produces multiple branching wands of tiny lavender pink flowers in a distinctive candelabra form that makes it instantly recognizable as unusual. Not just tall, but architecturally interesting. From the curb, those tall wands create a visible vertical structure that defines the back of a border and gives the whole planting a sense of scale and intention that lower plants simply can't provide. It's native, virtually unknown to most home gardeners, and has the quality of looking like a considered plant choice, rather than something grabbed from the standard nursery shelf. Plant it at the back of the border, where its full height can be appreciated, and watch it become the thing that makes the whole planting visible and interesting from the moment someone turns onto the street. Number 6. Persicaria Firetail. Firetail Persicaria delivers something almost no other plant on this list can. Vivid, saturated crimson red in a poker spike form that reads with absolute clarity from serious distance. The flower spikes are long, slightly arching, and a deep, rich red that photographs as almost unreal in its intensity. Red is the color the human eye is most sensitive to in a natural setting, and a border with Firetail in full bloom has an energy that makes it impossible to miss from the sidewalk. The plant is vigorous and spreads steadily, which means the red impact increases year over year as the clump expands. The slightly arching quality of the flower spikes adds a graceful movement dimension, swaying gently in a breeze in a way that's visible even from a distance. Deadhead regularly to extend the bloom season and use it as the hot color anchor in a border that needs something to hold the eye from across the street. Nothing else on this list delivers this particular color at this particular intensity. Number 7. Crocosmia Lucifer. We're closing the list with the plant that is, without any qualification, the most dramatic thing you can put in a front yard border, and one that almost nobody is growing, despite what it's capable of. Lucifer Crocosmia produces arching sprays of vivid scarlet red flowers on long stems that arch outward from the clump with a kinetic, almost explosive energy. At peak bloom in midsummer, a well-established clump has an unmistakably tropical quality, the scarlet flowers against sword-like green foliage looking more like something from a botanical garden than a suburban front yard. From the street, the combination of the arching form, the stem movement, and the intense scarlet color creates an impression genuinely unlike anything else in the standard perennial vocabulary. Lucifer is hardy to zone 5, spreads steadily into larger clumps over time, and increases its street impact every season as it matures. Hummingbirds find it irresistible, the dried seed heads in fall add another season of interest, and the sheer drama of those arching scarlet sprays visible from the end of the block makes it the one plant most likely to generate actual comments, questions, and compliments from people who have never seen it before. That is the definition of curb appeal. Those are 7 perennials that don't just look good up close, they look good from the street, from across the yard, from a passing car. If this was helpful, subscribe for new plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.